Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the World Malaria Day, which is celebrated every year on 25th of April to raise awareness about the disease malaria, how to control it and how to eradicate it completely.
Hey guys, these are the mosquito larvae for our experiment. Mosquito larvae.
In 2008, the first Malaria Day was celebrated, which was developed from Africa Malaria Day, which was an event observed since 2001 by the African governments. In the 60th session of the World Health Assembly in 2007, it was proposed that Africa Malaria Day can be changed to World Malaria Day. Malaria is transmitted through mosquitoes, which are members of a group of 3,500 species of small flies within the family Clucididae. The word mosquito is Spanish and Portuguese for little fly. Coming to their life cycle, no matter what their preferred breeding habitat, all mosquitoes undergo the same four-stage life cycle like egg, larva, pupa and adult, with the larval and pupal stages always being aquatic. Eggs are directly laid on the surface of still water. Mosquito larvae, commonly called as wigglers. Larvae filter feed on aquatic microorganisms near the water surface. Larvae of almost all species must come to the surface at frequent intervals to obtain oxygen through a breathing tube called siphon. During growth, the larvae molts, which means sheds its skin 4 times. As a defense mechanism, when alarmed, the larvae can dive deeper into the water by swimming in a characteristic S motion, which has earned them the nickname wigglers or wrigglers. As they feed, larvae outgrow their exterior covering and form a new exoskeleton, casting off the old ones. The stages between these molts are called as instars. The length of the larval stage ranges from 4 to 14 days, varies with species, water temperature, and availability of food. In the pupal stage, no feeding occurs. However, the pupa must still breathe air at the water surface and is sensitive to light, shadows, and other disturbances. Pupae are also physically active and employ a rolling or tumbling action to escape to deeper water. Pupae are also physically active and employ a rolling or tumbling action to escape to deeper water, which is why they are commonly referred to as tumblers. The pupal stage lasts from 1.5 to 4 days, after which the pupa skin splits along the back, allowing the newly formed adult to slowly emerge and rest on the surface of the water. Basically, malaria is a mosquito-borne life-threatening disease triggered by a parasite called Plasmodium vivax. Mostly, it is transmitted through Anopheles mosquito. So, how to prevent the transmission of this disease is, first of all, there shouldn't be any stagnant water around you. Spraying some cinnamon oil or any vegetable oil can be a way to kill mosquito larvae because they coat the surface of the water, suffocating the larvae. So this is all about the World Malaria Day, and I hope I have shared a bit of knowledge on World Malaria Day. So like, share and subscribe to my channel. So be safe, be happy. Bye.